Hey guys, we're back. My name is Max Kavanaugh and we're here at MarineMax Rogers, and I have the pleasure of showing you guys this beautiful 2023 Sea Ray 210 SPX. We're starting off on the exterior. Looking at this beautiful exterior, you have a nice white hull bottom with a black hull side for the color. Looks really sharp. Nice contrast between the exterior and the interior that we'll take a look at here in a second. You have stainless steel cleats around the entire boat. You have 2 in the bow, 2 midship, and then 2 in the stern. You have a nice big bimini top that this boat is equipped with. It does open up and give you lots of shade in the sunshine. Gas cap fill right here, pops open really easy. Again, stainless steel cleats here to tie your boat off. As we move our way back, you'll see this beautiful platform here. It does have a stern drive here. You have a stainless steel ladder that folds out, makes it easy to board into the boat. You have a nice submersible swim platform that when this stern drive is down, this will fold down into the water. So you can sit there, you can put your feet in the water, or you can actually use it to step into the boat. So all around, there's some great versatility with it. You have your tow point right here, so tow your skiers, your tubers, or even a wakeboarder. Stainless steel grab handle, 12-volt outlet up top, so you can blow up your water toys. Overall, very nicely designed, very spacious tube back here. So, Sea Ray, props to them. Now, let's take a look at the interior. Hey guys, welcome to the interior of the 210 SPX. I will point out right away this beautiful walkway that I use to get into the cockpit here. Now, there is storage underneath the actual walkway. So when you lift it up, you have storage in there. The batteries will be in here. You have SeaDeck on top, and that's lined throughout the entire boat into the cockpit, up into the bow. And that very nice material that feels good on your feet. Doesn't get hot, which is nice. Looking at this big sun pad here, as I lift this up, there's a hatch that houses the engine, the 4.5 liter MerCruiser 250 horsepower with an Alpha 1 drive, okay? Now you do have storage over on the left side here, lots of it. So you can put your towel bags, your dock lines, your fenders. It's a great space to store things. As I close this up, I will point out the backrest that you get. So this backrest you can sit at while you're anchored, when you're lounging, when the boat's not moving. When you're moving, you cannot sit back here because there's no safety railing in the back. But great spot just to hang out. As we walk in, you do have an integrated cooler here. You can throw some ice in there, throw some drinks, sandwiches. When the ice melts, it does drain. Storage underneath this corner seat, and you do have a dedicated cooler spot here. As we move our way forward, I'll move towards the helm. The helm, very nice captain's chair. This very nice stitching, the Sea Ray embroidery on the helm seat. This looks sharp. It does have a bolster in case you need to sit higher up. Off to the right, you'll have your throttle with the actual trim switch. It's in a very ergonomic position, so you'll feel comfortable. The captain's chair can move forward and adjust. The steering wheel, 3-spoke design. Off to your right, you have your key, some physical switches. Off to your left, you have your Fusion audio system. You can connect to Bluetooth, which is very nice. You have your navigation, your anchor light, your courtesy lighting switches here. You have your traditional gauge cluster up top here with a few digital readouts to display like engine temp and your depth and a few other things. So it's just very simple, but well designed. You do have a dedicated ski locker here with plenty of storage in there. Over on the passenger side, you have your passenger side co-captain's chair. Again, does have a bolster. You have your stainless steel grab handle for the passenger when you're flying across the lake. You have your recessed glove box here, which is nice for driver visibility. 2 stainless steel cup holders here. And underneath here, when this door opens up, you have, again, a lot of storage space that's finished off nicely with carpet. You can put towels, you can put fenders, you could put important things in there just to keep them more safe. And now, as we make our way to the bow, you'll see all of this space that you do have. And it does come with a bow filler cushion because this boat is equipped with the Essentials bundle. So you get a bow filler cushion, you get the stainless steel components, you get the sea deck that's glued down in the back as well. So very nice to have this feature. It makes it a nice big layout lounging pad. Up on the front too, you're gonna have an anchor locker that does open up, which is great. You can put your anchor in there, tie it off, and throw it right out the front. Overall, this 210 SPX is very well thought out, very well designed, and a lot of space in a 21-foot package. I want to say thank you guys for tuning in to this nice walkthrough here. If you guys have any questions, please give us a call here at MarineMax Rogers or come stop by. We'd be glad to show you around and help you out. Thank you.